Some scanners offer a great degree of control. Others are highly automated, which makes them easy and quick to use. They detect an image on the flatbed and can create and crop a scan automatically. Many scanners use standalone software, but more controls may be available by operating the scanner through an application like Photoshop. Check out the controls thoroughly before you begin. The aim is to get the right quantity and quality of data from the outset and to adjust the image quickly. If a lot of image data is dumped, it can cost a lot of time or be impossible to rectify later on. First, we create an overview. Some products scan automatically, but with this product we use the overview to tell the software exactly where the image lies by drawing a marquee around it. Next, we produce a pre-scan. This will be used alongside a benchmark image to enable us to adjust the colour and density before we scan proper. Once the colour and density of the pre-scan is perfected, the image is scanned. It is then named and saved into a folder on the hard disk as required. The first option is to choose the source material, a transmitted light source like film, or a source such as a print, which reflects light. If transmitted source is selected, choose whether the source is negative or positive film. Select the gamut carefully. Many scanners use Lab as the master system. Lab can produce a better result than RGB when scanning difficult subjects like negatives. Scan in CMYK only if you are scanning CMYK source material. RGB and Lab files can be converted to CMYK when you save the image. The next decision is to prioritize quality or speed of capture. Name the image in the naming box and select the output folder. Next, select the resolution for your needs. Use exactly the right amount of data and scale the output image for the size you need. Calibration is used to select the right scanning profile, transmissive for scanning films and reflective for prints. This is done automatically on some software. The image can now be adjusted for contrast and colour. The Colour Assist offers options for various lighting conditions. The LCH and CMYK options can now be used to fine-tune the scan. Refer to the manual for your product. Sharpening can be applied. Other common filters include dust and scratches and descreening tools. The scan can be saved with a profile as needed. Our key tips for scanning are as follows. Keep all the glass areas on the flatbed clean. Specify the right size of file, neither too much nor too little information. Use the appropriate scanning gamut. Use a good quality scan for comparison while performing colour adjustments. Check out the tools and use the most appropriate option for your needs. Optimize the scan before you export an image to Photoshop. Make a folder on the hard disk so it's easy to find your scans afterwards. The file should be saved as a TIFF or JPEG if it is going to print, a JPEG or GIF for the web, or as a PICT for video. Images can be imported in groups by dragging and dropping them onto the Photoshop alias or application icon. This is quicker than opening one at a time.